building, cooking. Beautiful kabaika. Roasted meat. In Liberian call it roasted meat, eh? The meat is roasting here, eh? The roasted meat is roasting. Guys, this is Liberian roasted meat on the grill. Now I put it on smoke. It's smoking now. Then later on, I'm gonna put it on grill. You see that meat, how that meat look juicy like that? That Liberian roasted meat, I season that meat with tomato, peanut butter, different type of seasoning and thing. I put it in that meat. That meat look juicy. Look at that meat. Liberian people, one of the best cook in the whole wide world. See that roasted meat on the grill. That bad boy is smoking. From there, we're going to eat that meat. That small chopping, we're going to chop that meat there. I'm telling you, look at that meat. How that meat look juicy like that. The place I am, I just swallow in my spit, in my mouth. All my spit, it just yummy. It's unsmoked now, eh? Put this some oil on it, so it can't be too dry. So now the meat on smoke. Smoking the Bible, eh? We'll put it on smoke, then later on, I'm going to take it from smoke and put it on grill. But for now, I want it smoke. So we're going to close it. Kabai on the grill. We're doing some kabai cooking on this grill here. So now it on smoke. We're gonna leave it alone and close it right back. And let it smoke on that smoker. We got a chicken on the grill over there. Kabai is